Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new right here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to check out these hair transformations. So first up, someone goes from long waist-length hair to this gorgeous angled bob. And then we see this stunning all black pixie cut that features beautiful face framing bangs. Then we see another gorgeous bob. This one does feature a beautiful platinum hair color and some blunt bangs. Then we see another gorgeous angled bob. Then we see yet another hair transformation. So she is going to get a haircut as well as some color with this transformation. She ended up getting this cute little bob haircut complete with curtain style bangs. Gorgeous, loving the center part with this one and the face framing cascading curls that are just perfectly feathered around her face shape. So the next one is also going to feature a dramatic hair transformation. She starts off with long waist length hair. The stylist has added some color and she ended up going with this gorgeous ombre colored blonde. Beautiful transformation. The ash blonde looks beautiful on her. And then we see another bob haircut. Oh wow, this is stunning. It's like a beautiful rose gold colored bob that comes to just below the jaw. And it features a very blunt cut. Oh, there was also a nice pop of lavender underneath. Very pretty. Next up, another blunt bob cut. Absolutely gorgeous. The stylist did add some beautiful waves to just kind of add some texture to this bob. So then we see a color switch up with this next transformation. Looks like she went with this very beautiful blonde combination. And then we see another gorgeous blonde switch up. Very pretty color, and I love the waves that the stylist added. Her hair looks so full and bouncy. So next up, we're going to see some creativity within this undercut. Looks like they're doing a very pretty painting inspired look. Wow, such a gorgeous design. And then we move into another hair color transformation. So it looks like this one is going to feature a rather unique combination. We have some yellow, pink, orange. Oh, the color came out absolutely breathtaking, very mesmerizing. And then we see a gorgeous icy blonde. And then another undercut. And then we move into the stunning red colored bob. Absolutely beautiful. I am loving this hair color. And then we see the styling and trimming of a pixie haircut. Loving the color combination on this one as well. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.